Vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology you need to stay ahead. But that's not all. With its monthly print publication, daily and weekly email newsletters, and a website updated several times a day, Fleet Owner has news and information delivered to you when you want it and where you want it. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source for trucking information in North America. Remember to visit fleetowner.com every day. Enough to receive Newsline, their free email newsletter, and subscribe to Fleet Owner magazine. Visit fleetowner.com. Fleet Owner, for news you can use.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund invites all over-the-road Class A to join our smoking cessation program, Rigs Without Cigs. Participants receive tools to assist in quitting, support, and accountability from the program manager and others in the program. Incentive packages are offered by the Road Pro family of brands for all who stop using tobacco through the Rigs Without Cigs program. Go to truckersfund.org under the Health and Wellness tab and sign up for Rigs Without Cigs.
Eric Harley and Gary McNamara on Red Eye Radio.
Red Eye Radio, he's Eric Harley, and I'm Gary McNamara, 866-90 Red Eye. Jonathan Whitley was on Fox News yesterday and about the doctor's scandal. Well, the thing that really, I think, has derailed these documents eventually were divided and distributed to different points. Some of them were removed from other files, obviously. There was one document in the library.
That's a really bad intersection. I can't freaking see the support coming around while going in the middle of the intersection. Man, that's insane. It's easier to get on the freeway from here versus the other way.
There you go. And that's why you have 84% of Americans in the CNN poll.
Thank you. You know, I never had respect for Dick Durbin until the words I heard him say that you broadcast library is so beautiful. I spent over 20 years in the United States Air Force. I was authorized access to certain classified information, but there's 4 words that need to be met by anybody except the President of the United States. Nothing like that applies to him. These 4 words are need to know. If you do not meet that criteria, you are not granted access. I don't care what kind of top secret or secret classification that you hold. Even an FBI agent, when they search, if they see a document that says top secret or whatever, unless they've been briefed that they have access to that and they are authorized, they cannot. They are not authorized to open that folder. Document.
Let me ask you this. I just want to answer this question. So, is the other exception would it be the House and Senate intelligence? Since they
nobody, even Dick Durbin, he probably holds a top secret clearance, okay? And I've got some respect for that. that man for the words that he said. No. But even if he has a top secret clearance, as an example, if we have the Bin Laden raid, okay, if he didn't have a need to know that that operation was taking place, he wasn't briefed on that.
Right, and I know that, right, I'm talking about those that in Congress that oversee the intelligence agencies, the House and the Senate Intelligence Agency. They're the ones that whatever the higher clearance to look at more documents. I guess my question would be, is there still a need to know there? And if it is, who sets that need to know for the House Intelligence Committee? It can't be the executive branch because they're a separate branch.
Okay, I do not know how to answer that question.
Okay.
The only thing I know is from my experiences is that if I flew a mission, okay, there were people on that mission that were briefed about certain secret or top secret information on that mission that I was not allowed access to. But I was in the mission to perform a certain task. Therefore, I was briefed in a certain area that need to know something to complete whatever my task was or my profession was, okay, and rescue or survival, whatever I had to do. We even had a guy in our department that could not be in our parachuting area and rescue and survival for one reason. He had too many speeding tickets, so he could not get a secret clearance. That's how sensitive these things are. The Vice President of the United States or a senator, they can have a top secret clearance or secret clearance, but they are not given information just because they have that clearance.
Right.
They have to meet these 4 words, what need to know. And I've never heard that said. And all of this time I'm sitting there with my wife and I'm saying, hon, you know I flew missions and all of that. You were not allowed to know that. You know, things like that. And she said, what are you talking about? I said, nobody listening that needs to know. And you keep hearing say, well, they had a clearance. They had a secret clearance. These are lawyers and all of that.
Right, right. The
I don't know.
No, you make a great point. The lawyers, the lawyers, they don't have any type of, they don't have any type of clearance whatsoever. And even if somebody has a top secret clearance, they may not have a need to know to go through those things.
Need to know.
Right, great. Thanks so much, DJ.
Now, yes, sir, the President of the United States, none of that applies to.
Right,
That man
yeah,
has the ultimate authority, or woman, the ultimate authority.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy listening to you guys.
Thank you, DJ. We appreciate your service. Yeah, we knew that about the president. But I believe that the House Intelligence and the Senate Intelligence Committee have a wider purview of what goes on with the intelligence secrets because they are the ones that monitor the intelligence agency.
Right.
And that's why it's so critical when you look at Swalwell, Swalwell and Adam Schiff, and what they did, promoting lies and saying that the intelligence told them things, especially Schiff that wasn't there. Swalwell, he had a relationship with a Chinese spy.
Right.
If you can't get top security clearance because of a traffic ticket or a number of traffic tickets, sorry, having a relationship with a Chinese crowd. Let's go to Keith in Los Angeles. Keith, welcome. You're on Red Eye Radio. Hi, Keith.
Hey, how are you doing? Hunter Biden, Joe Biden, and Joe's brother, well, there's like a domino effect here. You got Hunter flying with his dad over there to a different country, and Joe Biden was vice president. He literally, they're not going to check security clearance and bags. They're not going to check his phone and this and that because he's with the vice. The funny thing is, Hunter
Trucker's lawyer staying at this house. He's got all these documents. It's in a garage, which is insane. Now, who's to say whether he did, I doubt he did photocopy, but he could have probably done a lot of copies on his phone. I'm just saying hearsay. And no one's going to security check him when he's flying with his dad to all these countries. So literally, about it, he literally had access to photos, could have sold anything. The guy was on heavy drugs, did anything to get everything he wanted, you know, regardless of going with the strippers and all that stuff. He always did anything he had to do to get what he wanted.
Yeah.
His dad, I can't say his dad, I'm not a Biden fan, but all these domino effects, Joe Biden comes out with his speech saying, China, in Afghanistan, he gave him one of our greatest assets, which was, what do you call it?
The over the horizon capability. The over the horizon capability that we had. China, we gave that. We gave that up. Yeah, that's a great point. And one of the reasons that that's one of the more knowledge of that. And that's a great point. What happens is everything once you're accused of influence peddling, and once dots are being connected, anything that you do is perceived. Can be perceived, and definitely will be perceived by the opposition political party as a possibility of the payoff for the influence, for the cash that the family got. That's just the reality of influence peddling.
Right.
And that's why you have the polling numbers that you have here. It's not just, okay, a couple of documents. It is the entirety of this story, the entire thing, the entire Biden family and what they've been involved in. I heard this more yesterday. I'm a Biden victim. He was supposed to be, the poor guy. He was supposed to be the poor guy in the Senate. How do you get rich? Where did all this money? Where all this money come from? What's going? And so that alone. That there was already the perception before we even got into the classified documents, even a year ago, even when the Democrats were saying that the Hunter Biden story was false and the laptop story was false and these things didn't happen and the media was going along with it saying we're not reporting this story because it's not true. Still, the vast majority of Americans thought that Biden and his family enriched themselves by being in political office. That was already out there by the polls. That's what he's dealing with. That's tough to overcome, especially when this news has come out over the last couple of weeks, and then everything that you do to respond either is it's no big deal, or the perception is you're lying, or you're evading.
Right.
That's what you're getting from the White House.
And again, it is over and over again on this whole thing. They've been changing their non-answers. You look for any investigator looks for a change in the answers when the same individual or group of individuals or any person is being questioned. You look for their story to break. And on all of this, the story has been changing. It seems every day. Even their non-answers are changing.
And if I ever run, because I'm extremely young.
Yeah, no, I think you could get in and serve, probably 9 or 10 terms.
9 or 10 terms. My presidential spokesperson will definitely be my personal lawyer.
Yeah. Why isn't that always?
Sorry, we can't answer that question. Sorry, we can't answer that question. Sorry, we can't answer that question.
Yeah, no comment.
866-90 Red Eye.
Lines open for your calls. 866-90 Red Eye on Red Eye Radio.
Listen to Red Eye Radio wherever you are with the available on Android and iPhone. Download it now from the App Store or by visiting us at redeyeradioshow.com. Oh, before we get back on the road, let's stop at this cat scale and weigh.
Definitely. Will you use the Weigh My Truck app?
You know I'm no good with technology.
It's easy. Just try it.
Okay. Wow. The entire way on your smartphone and email your paperwork anywhere?
That's right.
So this is how we've been getting through the cat scale so fast.
Yep. And you pretend not to like technology.
When you weigh on a cat scale, you get a no excuses guarantee. If you get an overweight citation after weighing legal on a cat scale, we'll either reimburse you for the fine or go to court with you. At over 2,000 cat scale locations, we've got your back. You can now save time weighing by using your smartphone. Download the Weigh My Truck app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Find out more at weighmytruck.com.
Eric Harley here for my friends at Valley Chrome Plating. Drivers, are you looking to outshine everyone rolling down the road? Head to Valley Chrome Plating, your one-stop shop for premium chrome bumpers and accessories. Their full line of industry-leading truck accessories are available for all makes and models. Valley Chrome has the highest quality parts, made with the highest standards, and made right here in the USA. Nothing shines like Valley Chrome. Family-owned and operated, Valley Chrome Plating has been putting a shine 1961. Go to valleychrome.com today. Valleychrome.com.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate super. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricate, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at redeyeradioshow.com.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund is excited to once again offer its diabetes prevention program. Diabetes. This free CDC-approved year-long program begins January 9, 2023 with live webinars focusing on nutrition, movement, stress management, sleep, and more. Sponsored by Southern Recipe, this program is for those at risk diagnosed with diabetes. Go to truckersfund.org. Take the risk assessment located under the Health and Wellness tab and sign up today.
Cashback is not available on gas in New Jersey and Wisconsin.
Traffic is terrible. It sure is. But on top of that, gas prices have been skyrocketing. I can't believe how expensive gas has gotten recently. Prices at the pump are up, but I never pay full price for gas anymore. I just use the free Upside app that pays you cash back for every... Wait a minute, are you saying you actually get paid cash when you buy gas with the Upside app? Yes, I get real cash back every time I buy gas. Does that actually add up to anything? I've made around $200. Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the free Upside app now.
Download the free Upside app to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code LUCK for an extra 25 cents per gallon cash back on your first fill-up. You can cash out any right to your bank account, to PayPal, or any gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code LUCK for a 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. That's code LUCK for 25 cents per gallon cash back on your first fill-up.
This Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, Molly Stone's Markets is offering fresh, local Dungeness crab for just $6.99 a pound. Pick them up whole, or we'll crack and clean them at no additional cost. Don't miss out on this extra special local treat while supplies last. When you want quality, variety, and service, shop Molly Stone's Markets. Family owned and locally operated since 1986. Molly Stone's location near you at mollystones.com.
Former Navy SEAL Sean Ryan shares real stories from real people from all walks of life on The Sean Ryan Show.
3 years ago today, we kicked off the